Want to escape the rat race? E-commerce might be your ticket out. With platforms like Shopify, building your online store is easier than ever. And when it comes to stocking that store with awesome products, AliExpress is a goldmine. Imagine millions of products, from trendy gadgets to stylish clothes, all available at your fingertips. Combine it with Shopify's user-friendly interface, and you've got a recipe for entrepreneurial success. Think of Shopify as your virtual storefront, complete with all the bells and whistles. It's where you design your website, showcase your products, and process payments. AliExpress is your global sourcing partner, offering almost anything at wholesale prices. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind? With AliExpress and Shopify, you can build a business you're passionate about. So, buckle up, grab your laptop, and let's dive into the exciting world of e-commerce. Let's face it, finding the right products is crucial for any online business. So why choose AliExpress? It's a dropshipper's paradise. Dropshipping means you don't need to handle inventory. Customers order from your Shopify store, you order the product from your AliExpress supplier, and they ship it directly to the customer. Easy, right? No more packing boxes in your basement. AliExpress is known for its incredibly competitive pricing, allowing you to source products at a lower cost and increase your profit margins. With millions of products across countless categories, you're bound to find something that resonates with your target audience. AliExpress also offers buyer protection, ensuring a secure and reliable experience. You can check supplier ratings, read customer reviews, and even contact suppliers directly before placing an order. So why limit yourself to local suppliers when you can tap into AliExpress's vast network of manufacturers and wholesalers worldwide? Ready to start importing products from AliExpress to your Shopify store? It's simpler than you think. First, install a dropshipping app on your Shopify store. These apps act as a bridge between your store and AliExpress, automating the import process. Once your dropshipping app is up and running, start browsing AliExpress for winning products. When you find something you like, simply import it to your Shopify store with a few clicks. The app will automatically pull in product images, descriptions, and pricing information. Customize these details to match your brand and target audience. Now comes the fun part: marketing your products and making sales. Utilize Shopify's powerful marketing tools and social media to get the word out. Excellent customer service is key. Respond to inquiries promptly and address any issues with care. AliExpress is a fantastic resource for entrepreneurs, but there are a few things to watch out for. First up, shipping times. Since most AliExpress suppliers are based overseas, shipping can take longer. Be transparent with your customers about shipping times and set realistic expectations. Offer different shipping options, including faster and potentially pricier methods. Pay close attention to product quality. Partner with reputable suppliers who deliver on their promises. Always check supplier ratings and read customer reviews before making a purchase. Don't hesitate to contact suppliers directly if you have any questions about their products. Communication is key. Keep an open line of communication with your AliExpress suppliers. Building strong relationships with your suppliers can lead to better pricing and faster shipping. Be proactive, communicate effectively, and watch your e-commerce business flourish. So what are you waiting for? AliExpress and Shopify make it easier than ever to launch your own online business. With a little effort and the right strategies, you can escape the daily grind, set your own hours, and become your own boss. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine the satisfaction of building a successful business from the ground up. That's the power of e-commerce. And with AliExpress and Shopify by your side, the possibilities are endless. Take the leap, embrace the unknown, and embark on an exciting journey toward entrepreneurial freedom. The world of e-commerce awaits. Are you ready to answer the call?